Drawing this glowing crystal in Infinite Painter is super easy, just follow these simple easy steps. Use Path tool to draw the basic shape of the crystal, keep sharp corners in it. Now fill it with your desired color using Gradient tool. Create a layer above it, then change the layer type to soft light. Start drawing random shapes with sharp corners, try to keep them apart. Then create one more layer on top of it and change the layer type to hard light, and repeat the process again, this time draw it close to the shapes you drew before. Try different color as well, little lighter or darker. Now, merge the middle layer to bottom layer first, then the top layer too. Create a clip layer for outline and a normal layer for the background. Drag the normal layer in the bottom, then fill it with black color. Now, select the clip layer and start drawing the outline. If you like my content, consider subscribing my channel, it means a lot to me. Use soft airbrush to softly erase the middle parts of the lines. Add some extra glow near the corners. Create a normal layer to add more glow, this time draw hard circles on the corners. Now, use blur filter on it, then lower the opacity. Create one more layer. I'll add bluish glow around the crystal. Use the blur filter again, and lower its opacity too. Then merge this layer to the previous layer. Erase some of the extra glow. Create one more layer for glowing particles. Drag this layer below the crystal layer, erase the extras and lower the opacity. Merge the outline layer to the crystal layer, then duplicate this layer. Select this layer, then use transform option. Flip it over. Lower the opacity, then use blur filter. Erase the lower part. Just add some light below the crystal. And it's done. Thanks for watching.